Brian here. So there's one thing that some of you probably know, some of you don't know, some of you half know, some of you know some parts. There's one part actually I didn't realise. Anyway, have a look at this Seat Leon, right? There is a set of tyres on it, Bridgestone Potenza 225 4018 92Y. The first number in this case then is 225. The 225 refers to the width, so that's going from the inner sidewall to the outer sidewall, and that's measured in millimeters, so that's 225 millimeters in this case. The next one is the part that actually I didn't realise. So it's 40. 40 is the number. So I just never thought about it. So I just kind of thought maybe it's 40 mil. I never thought about it. But actually what it is, it's a percentage. So the first number is 225, which is the cross-sectional width is what it's called. But that second number, 40, is what's called an aspect ratio. An aspect ratio is from here to here. So in this case, it's 40. So it's 40% of the preceding number. So in this case, it is 40% of 225 millimeters, which is 90 millimeters. So the aspect ratio from here to here, or some people call the profile, 90 millimeters. The next part then is the R. R literally just refers to the fact that it's a radial tyre, but like pretty much every tyre on a car on the road is probably a radial anyway. And after the construction type letter, then you have this one here, which is the rim diameter. So the rim diameter goes from there to there. Remember, this is a radius which goes from here to here. This goes from here to here. So in this case, it's an 18 inches from top to bottom, left to right, whatever way you want to look at it. The 92 on this tyre then is the load rating. Okay, so off the top of your head, you're probably not going to know what the load rating is, but there's loads of charts. Just Google it and it'll show you what it corresponds to. So if you're looking at 92, it'll tell you on a chart in kilograms. In this case, the 92 rating supports 630 kgs on our chart. Finally then, at the very end, there's a letter. The letter is basically the maximum, again there's a table that you can Google, and it's the maximum speed that the tyre is designed to be associated with. In this case, the Y on the Bridgestone Potenza supports 300 kilometers an hour, which means it's an excellent tyre for high performance. Anyway, hopefully you've learned something, and if you didn't and you knew all of this already, then just leave a nasty comment.